Yeah, guys, welcome back to another session on RPA, Robotic Process Automation, RPA Automation Anywhere, A360. Today we are going to learn app integration command. So by using app integration command, we can read the text from different applications, browsers, and surfaces. Let's suppose I want to capture some data from Citrix automation or the client applications or Windows applications or web applications. Sometimes automation anywhere capture command or object learning does not support to capture the text from different applications. So in such scenarios, what we can do, we can use app integration command to capture the particular text on the different applications and windows like Citrix automation and thick client based applications. Let's get started. So now we are in automation anywhere A360 um, homepage. So in the left hand side we can see number of comments. So we can just search by action, and we can drag and drop, and we can create a bot without any coding knowledge. So today we are going to focus on app integration command. So let me expand app integration. So here we can see three different options available in the app integration command. So here you can see capture area, capture scrollable text, and capture text of window. So here we can also see the description, extract the text from the specific area of the window. It requires some bot version and all, that is fine. And it can capture the scrollable text as well. A few websites, we can see the scrollable text. Those kind of text also we can extract by using this command. And extract text of the window, it extract entire text of the particular window. So let's see, let me drag and drop one of each one of the command, and let me click on capture area. So capture area command is used to capture the particular area text. Let's suppose I want to capture some specific portion in the particular application or browser. I can capture that particular area by using coordinates. So let's get started. And here you can see the properties window and the property session. We can see different options available, like selecting the windows or browsers or applications or variable, and we can also resize the particular window and coordinates. Here we can see, and we can assign the save capture text into a variable. Let's see one by one. So let me select the application and let me refresh to get the all active window titles in the VDI. So here I have uh, IE browser web page. So here I want to capture this content, like this website works better in Microsoft Edge. So I want to capture this specific portion from this web application. So let me go to automation anywhere A360 window, and let me choose the particular window title of IE browser. So once you select the IE browser, here you can um, change or modify the window title dynamically. So you can pass the wildcards wherever the content or window title is changing dynamically in a real-time processes. We can pass the wildcards, uh, or else what we can do, we can write a regular expression to handle the dynamic window title changes. If you have any queries to write a regular expression, or how to pass the wildcards, so please drop a message in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified every time when I upload a new lesson or series of training videos on automation anywhere, A360, Python, artificial intelligence, Microsoft Power Platforms like Microsoft Power Automate, Power BI, Power Automate, Cloud Desktop, everything. So please don't forget to click on subscribe button. And then So what we will do, so we will if you want to resize the window, yes, you can resize the window. That means you can set the uh, xy coordinates of the particular web application. uh, you can maximize the window as well. So let me click on capture region. So once you click on capture region, it will navigate to the selected window title. So here, whatever the area you want to capture, so you can just drag the mouse to select the rectangular box. And once you select the data, we need to click on right click option to capture the data. Let's suppose if you want to cancel, you can press the escape button. Here I want to capture this website works better in Microsoft. So once you select the area, just click on right click button. So then bot is going to analyze and capture the particular text. Here we can see so automation anywhere record application is going to capture the particular text from the IE browser. Here we can also see the preview image as well and coordinates as well. And but we are not supposed to use area in the real-time processes. I mean xy coordinates, width and height we are not supposed to use, because it may vary in UAT environment, production environment, and real-time processes. And if you want to run the bot in different VDI, the screen resolution or XY coordinates may change. So for better practice, we are not supposed to use capture area. So what I will do, we will assign the output to the prompt assignment variable, and let me click on save. So I will display the capture area, sorry, capture text now. Message box, let me drag and drop the message box activity to display the message. Let me press F2 and let me select the output variable, that is prompt assignment. So let me save and let me quickly run the bot. Similar way, we can also capture the scrollable text as well as entire application text. We can also capture entire application text instead of using the XY coordinates or height and width, and then we can perform the string operations to extract the specific text from the application. So the bot is running now. So bot is going to capture the specific text like this website works better in Microsoft Edge. Yes. So here we can see the output. Okay. So this website works better in Microsoft Edge. So let me click on close and let me go to integration command. Let me capture the text from the window. Let me select IE browser and let me choose the same output variable. Let me click on save. So we can also run specific line. Like let's suppose I want to run from the second line. I don't want to run the first line of code. So what I can do, I can just click on the three dots and I can choose run from here option. And it will run from the second step only. In this scenario, bot is supposed to read the IE browser window. So similar way, we can also choose the Citrix automation or different kinds of the client application to text application command. So bot is going to capture text and the particular web application. This is how we can extract the text from the different web applications and the client applications. So bot runs successfully. That's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. I'm going to upload a series of videos on automation anywhere A360, and I'm going to cover each and every command as well as new features in A360. Also, I'll also upload a Python and Excel macros, programming basic knowledge concepts, and Microsoft Power Automate, Power Platform, and Power Automate Cloud and desktop videos as well. Okay, so please don't forget to click on subscribe and subscribe button. Then you will be notified every time when I upload a new videos or series. Thank you. Thank you so much.